In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect air conditioner to Alexa. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage your air conditioner and make sure that you can use it in conjunction with Alexa. So this is going to differ for every single air conditioner manufacturer. However, the process will generally be the same. All that you have to do is use the latest version of the Alexa app, and then from the home screen, tap the plus sign to add a new device. When you choose the option to add a new device, you can either look for your specific device by type or brand, or if you scroll down, you can find air conditioner right here. When you tap air conditioner, the very first thing that they will ask you is what brand is your air conditioner. So like I said in the beginning of the video, while the general steps are going to be the same, it is going to be slightly different for every single manufacturer or brand. For this video, I cannot show you every single one of them. As you can see, there are many, but you will be able to follow the general concept to do it on your own. It is easy to follow, and all that you have to do is tap on any of these. So for example, let's say you have an LG air conditioner. When you tap on any of these brands, it is going to ask you a set of questions. So for LG specifically, it is going to ask you if the air conditioner is powered on. It needs to be powered on to connect to Alexa. So once it is, tap yes. And then they are going to ask you if the air conditioner is set up on the LG app. This might also be the case for other brands. So usually you will have to download a specific application for your air conditioner, and then you will be able to connect it to Alexa. If you say no, the Alexa app will guide you through the process. So set up your air conditioner in the LG app. When you tap the option to get the LG app, you will be redirected into a Google Play Store where you can download the application. And this might also be the case for other brands. So once you install this application and you set up your air conditioner here, then you will be able to go back to Alexa and then proceed. So once it is done, Alexa will ask you to connect your LG account. This is also going to be the case for other brands. So all that you have to do now is follow through the instructions within the Alexa app, sign in with the account related to your brand, and once it is done, you will now essentially be able to control the air conditioner application through Alexa. You will be able to set up custom messages, custom voice commands, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect air conditioner to Alexa. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.